It's good, y'all. We're going up the stairs. Another hotel. Napanee this time. 5th hotel trip this year. And you never know. There's room for a 6th. I'm a very slow runner. But that's okay. So, you'll see more scenery later. And that right there is the door. Up to the 3rd floor. Oh yeah, he's all the way over there. And now, yeah, we're gearing up for our first pool trip. Give you a little peek at the pool as well. And until then, stay tuned.
Time to test the temperature.
Oh, it's your boy. First swim is done. Now we're gonna get some small food. And then we're gonna hit up an A&W later. You know the ritual, eh?
Oh yeah, 3 swims. Get the first swim out of the way, go get food.
Exactly. And stay tuned for the adventure. But until then, as I just said, stay tuned. A steep hill.
Oh, dude, look at this.
Nice little path.
Look at the sun.
I did. Oh. Pizza. Tim Hortons style. We about to feast.
We're about to find out what it tastes like.
That's right.
All right, man. Not bad.
Not bad at all. $7.90 with tax. You get that beautiful pizza. We didn't even know Tim Hortons sold pizza, but you know,
They don't where we're from.
I think they do.
They do?
Anytime I went and got breakfast for us, I saw it there.
Oh, fuck. I've never seen them.
I know. But you know what?
It's not bad.
Not at all. It makes sense. Makes a lot of sense. That's all we got right now. We'll be back later for more. Stay tuned. Oh. Round 2. You really can't go wrong with that. And we're going to be coming back for round 3. So, if you ever hit up a Tim Hortons, get their pizza.
They're good.
Very good. Saves you money, and it's delicious. Mm. Mm. Stay tuned. It is good, y'all. We are here on the 3rd floor, and we're about to do a 3rd trip to the pool as usual. Yes, we don't really feel like it, but it's the ritual. You know what I mean?
I know what you mean, man. Gotta get the third trip in.
We do. We're walking down the stairs. We need to save energy for it. Because not many people can do 5 hotel trips in 1 year, which it sets the bar high. Because how many do you think we can pull off next year?
Oh, I don't know, man.
I don't know. We can probably get a lot in.
Well, next year it's gonna be longer distances to where we're going, so.
Oh.
It might not be as many, but longer.
Exactly. Which, you know what that means? You'll see a lot of it, folks. Because this is Napanee. It's not bad. It's pretty decent for what it is. Because this year, what have we had? Carlton Place, Oshawa, North Bay,
Coburg.
and now Napanee. And there's always room for one more. We don't have much at the moment, but stay tuned.
Well.
What is good, y'all? We're about to commence round 3 of swimming. Complete the swimming ritual. And yeah, we just got back to the hotel again. We always go outside a lot. Like, yes, I'll tell you now. We both agree. Summertime, we go out a lot more. But we still go out a lot in the winter season. And here's a spoiler alert for 2025. We will do Sudbury, over 5 hours. Niagara Falls is on the table, same amount of time. Wasaga Beach, Barrie. That's 4 different trips, which is doable. If we can complete those like by the end of next September. So starting from April to September of next year, 4 big trips. Imagine that. And you're going to see a lot of good stuff. That's what we do, folks. And a lot of the times, during these times, you got to find the nooks and crannies, which it's very tough to find in Canada because there's not a lot of towns. It's a lot of land and water. You really got to look. You really got to look. And finding Napanee was very tough, but it was found. And here we are, living it up. And that pool, by the way, there's no hot tub here, but the pool is basically like the hot tub. It's basically a pool and a hot tub together. So, yeah, you know what's good. Yeah, we just got back. Like I said, we're going to commence round 3 very, very soon. And I encourage you, if you're in need of a hotel trip or getaway or anything, I advise coming here more in like the fall, winter season. But in summertime, Barrie's, North Bay's, Sudbury's, Toronto, Oshawa, because Lake Ontario's in Oshawa, recommended. Take that in advice. Do it, folks. You will thank me. And if you're in America, I'm not familiar with their cities and all that, but me and my brother, once we get passports, we're gonna go there because there's a lot to explore. But first, we're going to be exploring Canada. And next year, you're gonna see a lot of good stuff. Trust me, folks. Trust me. You will. You really will. But we're just chilling for now. We're going to get our round 3 done, and then we're going to go on a voyage for food. And until then, stay tuned. Yo. So as you see behind me, the water. We have completed 3 visits to the pool. one night. We have done that on 11 consecutive hotel trips. That's what we do, folks.
We even checked. Shower's off. Shower is off.
Off. Kind of people we are. Bye, pool. Good visit. Very warm. But ritual completed. The next time we hit a hotel up, we'll complete the same ritual.
There's a gym.
It is? Oh, man. See that?
I don't feel like working out though.
Yeah. We never hit up any gyms here. We're more interested in the pools.
Yeah, that is a workout. Just the pool
Yep.
itself.
Build an appetite too. But come back to you when we're voyaging for more food. Stay tuned. It's good, y'all. So, made a late night snack trip. My brother got a Snickers Mars bar. I also got a Mars bar and Reese's peanut butter sticks. We're gonna split a pack of gummy worms. And of course, for tomorrow, I got a 4-pack of Monsters, so we can have 2 Monsters each. That's what we do. That is what we do. We had literally a full pizza each from Tim Hortons, which I recommend it. We split half a turkey bacon lettuce sub, well, sandwich, and we had a fruit explosion muffin. Oh yeah, you know what's good. But I don't have much right now. Stay tuned. Yo, see what I got? I got 2 Simply Cheese pizzas from Tim Hortons. Right now they got a deal, 2 for $12, which if you're looking for something that is filling but not at the same time, this is your choice. See? Right here. You can wait, car. I'm passing. But yes, go with this. It is so delicious. It might not be for everybody, but oh yeah, it will do the trick. It will definitely do the trick. We basically been living off pizza this entire trip. Yeah, we had some chocolates, we had some gummy worms, we had half a turkey bacon lettuce sandwich, but is what it is. It's mainly been pizza. You know what's good. Sounds like construction over there. Oh well. But yes, folks, it was a lovely trip. I recommend, not in the summertime. Summertime is meant for big trips because we have Sudbury, we have Barrie, we have Wasaga Beach, and Niagara Falls. We have all 4 of those trips lined up and ready to go for 2025. So you best be ready for those. Your boy's gotta cross the street quickly with my pizzas. Me and my brother's pizzas, but yeah, we got those 4 trips lined up. We'll probably have some more as well. We might squeeze in one more trip before the end of the year. Because yeah, a lot of trips to do in the winter, a lot of trips to do in the summer. You know what's good, folks. You know what's good. Big building. Yes. That's all I have right now. Stay true to you.